Hello students, how are you? Today Riya Sihag from 6th B will tell you about the format, how to write the notice, the format of notice.
Hello friends, my name is Riya Sihag. Today we will learn how to write notice in a very simple and interactive way. What is the objective of a notice? A notice is a formal piece of communication issued by someone to a large number of people in an organization. We can divide a notice in three parts to understand it easily. Part 1 or the heading part. In this part, we have to write four things as mentioned. A. Name of organization. B. The word notice in capital letters. C. Date of notice. D. Subject of notice. We have to write the name of organization, the word notice and subject of notice in the center of the notice box and date of notice in the left side. Part 2. Middle, middle part or body part. In this part, we have to write the necessary details and information related to the subject of the notice. Part 3 or the ending part. In this part, we have to write the name and the designation of the writer, issuer of the notice. It is important to write the notice in a box. This video is prepared by Riya Sihag, Class 6B, Greenview Public School, Najafgarh, New Delhi. Instructed by our English teacher, Mrs. Rani Sharma. Please like and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.
Now Hritika will again explain the example about the notice.
Notice. Notice means to write and communicate with others. So I will teach you how to write the notice. So, name of the organization. Here you see Daffodils High School is the name of the organization. Notice, the word notice, okay? August 2, 2020. This is the date. This is the compulsory to write date and name of the organization, subject, body, name of the writer, dignal of the writer. Okay, so here is the subject is here, dance workshop. So here the body is, this is the inform that the school is conducting a dance workshop from 20th May to 25th May in the rehearsal hall. The best trainer of Ashley Lobo dance troupe will be facilitating. All students are eligible. Students who are interested may contact the undersigned in the rehearsal hall between 10 a.m. and 12 a.m. on the 8th and 9th of May. So, this is the body of the notice. Name of the writer is here, Meera Rai. Diagonal of the writer is here, Heat Girl. So, this is how we write notice. And the notice is about to inform all the parents to the students who are interested to dance troupe. Okay, bye. Thank you.